How many times has this happened in your business? Project is running, your team is working, but no one actually knows what stage it is at. Your manager is sending follow-up messages every morning. Your team members are giving verbal updates that no one documents. And somewhere in between, a task falls through the cracks. This is not a people problem. This is a process problem. And today, we are going to show you exactly how Bizio's project and resource modules eliminate this entirely. No manual follow-ups, no missed updates, no guesswork. Let us be specific about what manual follow-ups actually cost you. First, time. Every follow-up message, every status call, every just checking in email is time taken away from actual work. Second, accountability gaps. When updates happen verbally or over WhatsApp, there is no record. If something goes wrong, no one can trace it back. Third, delayed decisions. A project manager who does not have real-time visibility cannot make fast decisions. And in a service business, slow decisions mean delayed deliveries and unhappy clients. Bizio is designed to eliminate all three of these problems through two core modules. The first module is Bizio's project management module. When a deal is closed, a project is created in Bizio. That project is broken down into milestones, and each milestone has a clear owner, a deadline, and a defined scope. Here is the key difference from your current process. Your team does not update their manager. The system updates itself. When a milestone is marked complete, when a task moves forward, when an approval is submitted, Bizio records it automatically. Your manager sees it on their dashboard in real time. No follow-up message needed. No, where are we on this? No status meeting just to get a number. Everything is visible, everything is documented, and everyone is accountable. The second module is resource management. One of the biggest reasons follow-ups exist is because the wrong person was assigned to a task, or worse, no one was assigned at all. Bizio's resource module solves this at the point of allocation. Before assigning anyone to a project, you can search your team by skill set, check their current availability, and review their past performance, all within the platform. You can assign resources on a full-time or part-time basis. You can define whether the work is billable or non-billable, and the system ensures no one is double-booked or underutilized. The result? Every task has a clear owner from day one, and that owner knows exactly what is expected of them, because it is documented inside Bizio, not inside a manager's head. Now, let us talk about the third layer that makes this entire system work: timesheets. In most service businesses, timesheet submission is another manual chase. Managers remind, employees forget, and by the time data is collected, it is already outdated. In Bizio, timesheets are directly connected to the projects and resources you have already set up. Your team logs their hours against specific milestones. Approvals are triggered automatically, and managers can view timesheets by week, by month, or by project, with full export capability. This is what turns hours worked into billable inventory, and it happens without a single reminder message. Let us summarize what actually changes when your business moves to Bizio's project and resource modules. Managers send daily follow-ups. With Bizio, updates happen automatically. Task ownership is unclear. With Bizio, every task has a defined owner. Project status lives in WhatsApp. With Bizio, everything is visible on a real-time dashboard. Teams chase timesheets every week. With Bizio, approvals are auto-triggered. Decisions get delayed due to no data. With Bizio, managers act on live project insights. Manual follow-ups are not just inefficient. They are a sign that your business is running on informal systems. Systems that break when people are busy, absent, or simply forget. Bizio's project and resource modules give your business a structured execution layer. One where visibility is built in, accountability is automatic, and your managers can lead instead of chase. If you want to see how this works for your specific business, visit bizio.ai and book a demo. Our team will walk you through exactly how these modules can be configured for your operations. And if you found this video useful, subscribe to this channel. We cover each Bizio module in detail, so you can understand exactly what is possible for your service business. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next one.